Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Until what do us part. Full story. A young girl was coming from shop in the boiling sun hot in Beckford Crawl, Clarendon in the 1980s. As she approached a mango tree, she heard voices. When she got closer to the tree, she saw two shadows fighting. Seeing that it wasn't the living, she ran with lightning speed until she reached her granny's house. The little girl was breathless. Her granny asked her what was the problem, and she told her that she saw two Duppy fighting under the mango tree. Her granny told her that they were two Duppies, and that they were also husband and wife. It seems the two Duppies' domestic brawl was well known in the area, but about what? Nobody knows. Like and follow for more. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube page. Link in bio.